Good, good afternoon, students. In today's maths class, we will discuss the backward counting only because we will practice the backward counting more and more. So I have told you, I have shown you for also in the class, I have shown you this rocket. It will go up. Then when you now counting the numbers we are counting, that is forward counting. That is forward counting. We are counting the numbers forward. Then when you are coming down, then it is backward. So I will not count today forward. I will only count a backward one because you were confused then. Okay, we will start. See this one. This one, it is 1, 2 written and it is going up. When we are going up, forward, coming down, it's backward. Now we will not count, we will count all gone up, all gone up. So we will count the numbers backward, all gone up. Okay, all gone up. So we will count the numbers backwards. See here, it is 10. Now we are coming down. We are gone up. Now we are coming 10, 9. Rocket will come down. 8, 7. After 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We came down. Then after that, see, again this one go up. Now when we are going up is forward. Then when we are coming back, all gone up. All we have gone up. Now we will come down to the earth. So in this rocket we are going up like this. When we are coming down, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Okay, we are counting the numbers backwards from back side. Now it's going to be 30. Is going to be 30. Is going to be 30. From back side we are counting 30, 30, 30, 29, 29, 28, 28, 27, 27, 26, 26, 25, 25, 24, 24, then it's going to be 2, 3, 23, then 2, 2, 22, then 2, 1, 21. Up to 30 you have already done and you remember also. I have asked you at previous class. But from 50 we have not done. So we will count the backward counting, all gone up in the sky. Now we count, we will come down. When we are coming down, we will count the numbers backwardly. See, 50, 49, 48, 47, 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41. After 41, then it's going to be 4040. Is going to be 4040. Back side we are counting 4040, 39 39, 38 38, 37 37, then 36 36, 35 35, 34 34, 33 33, 32 32, then 31 31. Understand, children? When we are counting the numbers from back side, it's backward counting. Now see this one more time. 5 will count from back side. 5 0 50, 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4 3 43, 4 2 42, 4 1 41. After 4 1 41 is going to be 4 0 40, 3 9 39, 3 8 38, 3 7 37, 3 6 36, 3 5 35. Okay children, 33, 32, 31. Again 5 0 50, 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, 4 4 44, 4 3 43, 4 2 42, then 4 1 41. Now I am going to write. See here, 5 0 50, 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, then 4 5 45, 4 4 44, and 4 3 43. After 4 3 43, 4 2 42, 4 1 41, 4 0 40. Then 3 9 39, 3 8 38, 3 7 37. After 3 7 37 is 3 6 36, 3 5 35, then 3 4 34, 3 3 33, 3 2 32, 3 1 31. After 3 1 31 is going to be 3 0 30. Okay. Again you see 5 0 50, 4 9 49, 4 8 48, 4 7 47, 4 6 46, 4 5 45, then 4 4 44, 4 3 43. After 4 3 43, 4 2 42, 4 1 41, 4 0 40. After 4 0 40, 3 9 39, 3 8 38, 3 7 37, 3 6 36, 3 5 35. After 3 5 35, 3 4 34, 3 3 33, 3 2 32, 3 1 31, 3 0 30. This is backward counting. Okay, so we will practice, revise, then we definitely learn. So I am going to show you shapes. Remember, this is circle, CIRCLE. This is circle. This is triangle. This is what? Triangle. After triangle, this is oval. This is oval. What is this? This is oval. After oval, this is square. It's all the sides are equal. See, all the sides are equal. It is square. Square, then rectangle. Its opposite sides are equal. Then rectangle. Its opposite sides are equal. Okay. See children, circle spelling that they have told you have to learn this time the spellings. Very circle. See, what is the spelling? CIRCLE. You have to learn these spellings. You have to learn these spellings. Triangle. TRIANGLE. we have to learn the spelling. Circle, triangle, oval, square, rectangle. Circle, triangle, oval, square, then rectangle. Okay. So that's all for today. Have a good day. Thank you.